America's industries are at a crossroads, and the big question looms: will the future of American manufacturing crumble simply because there aren't enough workers to keep it alive? Factories are struggling to find people, not just high-tech engineers, but basic hands-on labor. The kind of work that keeps assembly lines running, that builds cars, that keeps supply chains from collapsing. The numbers are staggering. According to reports, over 700,000 manufacturing jobs remain unfilled, and the gap is only widening. The labor crisis isn't just an inconvenience. It's a direct threat to America's ability to compete in the global economy. So, what's causing the shortage? The answer isn't simple. Baby boomers are retiring in droves, leaving behind a gap that younger generations aren't eager to fill. Meanwhile, trade schools and vocational training have been overshadowed by the push for college degrees, leaving skilled labor in short supply. The result? Companies are desperate. Many have increased wages, improved benefits, and even offered signing bonuses to attract workers. But even with these incentives, the problem remains. People just aren't showing up. Automation is often seen as the savior of manufacturing, but can machines truly replace the human workforce? While robotics and AI are advancing, they still require human oversight, maintenance, and innovation. Roles that remain unfilled due to the labor shortage. Some industries are being hit harder than others. The automotive sector, for instance, is facing production delays due to a lack of skilled tradespeople. Aerospace manufacturers struggle to find technicians. Even food processing plants are understaffed, affecting the entire supply chain. Meanwhile, global competitors like China and Germany continue investing heavily in manufacturing, ensuring they have the labor force to keep up with demand. If America fails to solve its workforce crisis, it risks falling behind, losing ground in an already competitive world market. The consequences aren't just economic. A shrinking industrial base means less innovation, weaker national security, and greater dependence on foreign manufacturing. The idea of Made in America could become a relic of the past. This isn't just about jobs. It's about the future of America's economic independence. If industries shut down or move overseas, it won't be easy to bring them back. The question remains: is there a way to reverse this trend before it's too late? Some believe immigration reform could provide an answer. Skilled foreign workers could help fill the labor gap, but political debates continue to stall progress, leaving industries in limbo. Others say education and training programs must be revamped to encourage younger generations to pursue trade jobs. High schools, community colleges, and companies are beginning to push vocational training, but the impact won't be immediate. There's also the issue of perception. Many young Americans see manufacturing as outdated, dirty, or unstable. Changing this mindset is crucial. The reality is, modern factories are high-tech, well-paying, and full of opportunities for those willing to enter the field. Government intervention may be necessary. Some propose tax incentives for companies that invest in workforce development, while others argue for policies that make trade schools more accessible and affordable. Despite the bleak outlook, there are success stories. Some regions in America are thriving by implementing apprenticeship programs, attracting new talent, and embracing technology in ways that complement, rather than replace, human workers. But these isolated successes aren't enough to fix the larger crisis. Without a nationwide effort, the decline of America's industrial workforce will continue, making the country more vulnerable to economic instability and foreign dependence. The stakes couldn't be higher. The American dream has long been built on industry, hard work, and innovation. Without enough labor to sustain it, that dream could fade away, leaving an uncertain future for generations to come. The question now is not whether America can survive without enough workers, but how long it can hold on before the cracks become irreversible. The time to act is now. But will America step up or watch its industrial power slip away?